Jeeps, ATVs, UTVs, mountain bikes, you name it. If it's getting dirty, dusty, muddy, this is the perfect product for it. Our whole family grew up riding, from my dad, my mom, my brother, myself, and then my 2 younger sisters. Growing up riding in Hawaii, conditions are crazy. Super red clay, kind of like Georgia. It's just this nasty, nasty red. Stains everything, ruins your gear, your bike. Throughout the years, we always use other household products to clean up the bike. Over time, we realized that a lot of those products were corrosive and was damaging our bikes. And so my dad, my brother, and I started developing a product that was made for the motorsport industry. People want things to get done quick. You want to get home after a day of riding and clean up quickly and effectively. Slick's your answer. My dad formulated a product that was non-corrosive, and that was our first product we made, which was the off-road wash product. It's just really cool to see the evolution of this brand and where it's come from being 2 kids in Kailua, Hawaii, and coming up with this idea with our dad to getting it on shelves and dealerships, and then now seeing it grow to go from the guys just starting out all the way to the guys like Ricky that are using the product. So it's really awesome.